Hi everyone, centering text in Microsoft Word can be done in two ways depending on whether you want to center it horizontally between the left and right margins or vertically between the top and bottom of the page. So if you want to center the text horizontal, then the most common way to center a title or a single line of the text. For this you need to use the keyboard shortcut. For this you need to highlight the text first and press the Ctrl E to make it center like this one, and here you can see that. Let me undo that, and if you want to use the ribbon, then select the text you want to center, then go to the Home tab, and in the paragraph group you need to search for the center icon, and here it is. You just need to click it and your text will be in the middle of the page. Moreover, if you want your text to sit exactly in the middle of a blank page, then you need to go out to the Layout tab on the top ribbon and click the small Page Setup Launcher, the tiny arrow in the bottom right corner of the Page Setup group. Click on that, and in the window that opens up, click out the Layout tab, and here's the Layout tab. Look for the Page section and find Vertical Alignment. And here is the page, and this is the vertical alignment. Right now it is top, so change the setting from top to center like this one, and then click OK to apply, and here you can see that. So your text has been vertically centered, and if you make it to perfect the center in the middle of the page, then click on the home and make it center as well. So this way you can easily set text in the middle of the page in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.